The Neva River is an essential part of St. Petersburg's charm. Generations of locals and visitors to the city have been enraptured by long evening walks along the banks of the Neva. Since the foundation of the city, the Neva was intended to be its main street. Throughout most of the 18th century, there was no bridges across the river, and people were ferried from one bank to the other, just as Peter the Great intended when he founded his Venice of the North. Very few things can be more romantic than taking a boat ride along the Neva's granite-clad embankments and admiring the city's open bridges, the marvelous architecture, and the large ships as they pass by. Small rivers and canals dissect the historic center of St. Petersburg, and it's hard to walk more than a few hundred meters without crossing a bridge. The Trinity Bridge is one of St. Petersburg's most famous bascule bridges, with a gorgeous Art Nouveau design that was in part the work of Gustave Eiffel. Virtually unscathed by the period of Stalinist reconstruction from the 1930s until the 1950s, the center of St. Petersburg is crowded with splendid palaces, impressive historical monuments, tree-lined avenues, and beautiful bridges. Although not yet 300 years old, St. Petersburg is a city with a wealth of historical and cultural associations and a refined air of mystery. Created by Peter the Great in 1703 to be his window on Europe, St. Petersburg combines its fascinating Russian heritage with a distinctly European outlook. Considered the cultural heart of modern-day Russia, St. Petersburg is rapidly regaining its reputation as one of Europe's great cities. From the vibrant colors of spring, through the sunny summer days and the endless twilights of the famous white nights, the brilliant golden sun of autumn, and into the brittle brightness of a St. Petersburg winter, the city casts its own unique spell over visitors. The capital of the Russian Empire for 200 years, St. Petersburg has connected Russia with Europe throughout its history. Today, the interests of world politics, business, and culture meet on the banks of the Neva River.